Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, an unboxing and a first impressions, and I'm going to do this on some glasses that I got from FIRMOO. I ordered 2 pairs of glasses, and if you guys already watched my previous video, then you know I do love the company FIRMOO. So go ahead and check out the last video I did reviewing their glasses, and if you want to keep on watching to see which pair of glasses that I got, then please stay tuned. So as I said, I ordered 2 new pairs of glasses and I didn't even open the package yet. This is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and open the package and then kind of talk about the glasses I got. And I don't know how these glasses look on me, so we're going to be seeing how they look together. This is just the packaging, the standard packaging that they brought it to me in, nothing fancy. So I'm going to open that. Probably should have gotten some scissors. Oh, okay, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love glasses. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ordered 2 pairs. And there's a little slip in here. It says, hey, sorry, my camera cut off. So it comes with this little card and it says FIRMOO on it. It's just saying, as you can see, the glasses are like, the little O's are glasses. And it's just thanking me for my purchase, you know, the standard thank you card. As I said, I got 2 pairs of glasses. This is what it looks like. So for the first pair, as you can see, this is the glasses case. It just says FIRMOO on it. Styles update every day, no more than $39. And that's true, the glasses don't go over $39. So in the first, so a case like this is just like a smaller case. It's not as chunky as a case like this. So if you want to put it in your bag or somewhere on the go, you can just put it in something like this and then collapse it. So what comes in here are some of their, these are the business cards. So if you know somebody looking for glasses, I guess you can just give it to them. Just says FIRMOO on it again. So I guess they gave you a lot, so if you want to give it to a lot of people, you can. And what also comes in here is, how does that thing the screw. Now this one you can put on your keychain. As you can see, it has a little ring for it. So this is the screw, so when you know the screws on the side of your glasses, then you can go ahead and screw it if it gets a little bit too loose. And it also comes with some extra screws where you can replace them if you need to. So on to the glasses. I'm excited. I'm kind of nervous to see how they're gonna look on me. But inside, first of all, this case is definitely not the same case that I got. If you look at my last video, you'll see that the previous case was tan and it had like the world map on it and it said their brand name. But this one is like one of the cheaper versions. I don't know if it's because maybe the holiday season they ran out of cases, but I feel like this is just, it's just cheap. I'm sorry, I don't like it. And so these are the glasses. These are what they look like. Now these 2 pairs that I purchased, they do look very similar to the previous pair that I have. Both of these glasses are tortoise shell. So this one, the arm is pretty. You can see the 3 golden ringlets on the side, and it's the tortoise as well. And the glasses are tortoise around here. And it's really pretty. So let's see how this looks on. And I'm going to be looking in the viewfinder if you see me looking off to the side. Okay. Oh, I like these. These are cute. And I purchased these pairs particularly because I liked how big they were. I have a wider set face, so I do prefer glasses that are, you know, more wide and higher in the frame because I feel like it fits my face more, and I think these are really cute. Now this one I think was $23, and I'll link the names to both of these glasses in the description box. So that is what this looks like. I like it. That is what that looks like. It's pretty. I like these, and I love the tortoise. I feel like the tortoise just adds like a pop of color to your outfit. I don't really care for black glasses because I feel like that looks too dull on me. And the colored ones, I always go with like a very subtle or, you know, like a more natural type color because I feel like it just adds more of a pop. So On to the next pair of glasses. Again, it comes in a case like this, and it's the same black case. I really do hope it's because of the holiday season, because I really do like the previous case they had. I still have them, but these I might just throw it away. I don't know. And then again, it comes with the screw in the second case, but it didn't come with the business cards. I guess because I ordered 2 pairs at the same time, so they didn't want to, you know, give me business cards again when they know it's the same person. So in this pair of glasses, it comes again with the glasses wipe. I didn't show it the first time, but this is the glasses wipe, and it's like a velvety feel. I really do like it. And then the case. So these are the second pair of glasses. Look like that in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. These, see, it's a very similar shape. Oops. These are more round than the first pair that I showed. And on the side, you can see this one has more of a gold, there's a gold band to it. It's not really gold, but it has a thing on the arm where they say that you can adjust it if you need to. I'm not sure how to do that, but I'll figure that out later. So these are Tortoise as well. Right there in the top, you can see Tortoise right there in the bottom. So I'm going to try these on. Okay, sorry, just looking at it. So I'm going to try this on and we'll see how it looks. These are cute. These are cute too. These are a little bit smaller. Obviously you can tell they're a little bit smaller, but these are still cute. They have more of a round shape. I like these. I like these. These are cute. It's like they're very similar, but they're still a little bit different. That one's more square and it's bigger. This one's smaller and rounder. And I like it. Oh, nice. It's like I don't even want to take it off, but I have my contacts in, so let me stop before I go blind. So all in all, I really do like the pairs of glasses that I got. I'm going to try on the first pair one more time. And they feel really sturdy, and I do like how you can see the gold from the front on the sides. And I like how big they are. And I want like a very, you know, I want to find a big pair of glasses that kind of like reach the tip of my nose. Don't ask me why, I just want some big glasses, but I think what I need to do is maybe buy sunglasses because they come in a large size, and then take out the lens and put a prescribed lens in them. But these are big enough right now, and I like them. These are cute. These are cute. I give these like a 5 out of 5. Then the second pair, once again, are these. These are cute as well, and I like these things right here. It's like kind of like makes it stick out like a very slight cat eye, and these are cute too. I like them. I like it. So all in all, I give them for the whole entire purchase, I have to give it a 4 out of 5 just for those cases. But for the glasses, I give them a 5 out of 5, and I really am satisfied with the purchase. So tell me which pair you guys like better. I think I prefer the first pair, which is the bigger pair, just because I like bigger glasses, but the second pair is really cute too. I'm definitely going to be wearing both of them just on different days. So if you guys have ordered from FIRMOO, go ahead and let me know what kind of glasses you got. And you know, if you order from other glasses stores, let me know where you order from. And again, I'm going to link the numbers to these glasses down below. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.